Hello, good morning students. Today I am going to elaborate advanced phraseography section number 7, which is based on omissions logograms. The first word is again and again. G with N hook above the line and omitted, and similar outline joined with again. Again and again, deeper and deeper. D, only D through the line. P, E, R, omitted and omitted. Another D disjoint with it with D with P, R. Next is higher and higher. High above the line, E, R and E, R, omitted and omitted. Another high disjoint with it with downward R. Lower and lower. L, upward, downward R and omitted, similar L upward downward R joint. Faster and faster, F with S circle, ER omitted and omitted, another F with STR. Less and less, L S circle and omitted. More and more, M with R hook, M with R hook and omitted. Mr. and Mrs. M with R hook on the line with M, S circle and S stroke. Nearer and nearer, NR, ER omitted and omitted, another NR with downward R for another nearer. North and south, NR above the line, S circle with id. East and west, ES halved for T and Katik way upward with ST loop over and over again. Were, alternative form of were and omitted joined with gay and N hook. Over and above, over above the line and omitted with B with V hook. Here and there, H downward R and omitted with there. Quicker and quicker, qua with another qua with cur. Cur, CKER and are omitted. Rates and taxes, R upper T with S circle, T with K with double S circle and omitted. Time and space, T above the line, M with S circle, P with S circle and omitted. Ways and means, way, S circle, M with an S circle and omitted. Side by side, S circle D by omitted. Bear in mind, B on the line, R downward, M half for D with N hook in omitted. Borne in mind, B on the line, R upward with N hook in omitted with mind. M half with N hook for D. All parts of the world, all Katik parts half for the T with world, way R LD downward half of the omitted. Fact of the matter, FKT fact of the omitted, M doubled for matter. Facts of the case, FKTS of the omitted with K and S circle. For the purpose of, F above the line, P upward R, P and S, the end of omitted. History of the world, through the line, H upward, S circle, T with upward R with of the omitted and with the world. Way upward R and LD half downward. Out of the question, T through the line, qua S circle, T with an hook of the omitted. Peculiar circumstances of the case, P, K, S, T, N double S of the omitted with K and S. Case, more or less, M, R above the line with L upward with S circle, O, R or omitted. 1 or 2. Way, on the line with N hook or omitted with the tick of 2. Right or wrong? R upward above the line with T. Another R for wrong with NG. OR or omitted. 6 or 7. SK. Another X. S or upward. R with S circle. V with N hook. No omission. Sooner or later. S circle within NR hook. Downward. L doubled for later. Or omitted. 3 or 4. There through the line. R upward with F and downward R. No omission. 2 or 3. To cut a on the line or omitted with the 3. Up to the present. P on the line to the omitted present. PR S circle and half for T. Up to the present time. Same outline joined with time. In accordance with N stroke above the line. Cur half for D with NS circle with omitted in accordance with the similar outline with the tick of the in accordance with the matter similar outline added with the M doubled for matter in connection with N above the line K on the line with Chun hook disjoint in connection with the similar outline with added with the tick in connection with their similar outline only K doubled with Chan hook for the sake of there.